Welcome to Visual Vocab English. Today, let's take a journey and learn essential transport words with a fun story. Let's start. Sophie was excited for her trip to the city. She started her journey by taking the bus from her neighborhood. When she got on, she showed her ticket to the driver and found a seat by the window. The road was scenic, and she enjoyed the view. After the bus, Sophie arrived at the train station. She looked at the schedule to find the right platform for her train. Carrying her luggage, she waited until the train arrived and got on board. Once in the city, she took a taxi to her hotel. The day was full of new experiences and a lot of transportation. Sophie thought traveling is fun but can be a bit tiring too. Bus, a large vehicle that carries passengers on scheduled routes, often within a city. Example: I take the bus to work every morning. Ticket, a paper or digital document allowing a person to travel on a bus, train, plane, etc. Example: she bought a ticket for the train to the city. Train, a series of connected vehicles that move along tracks, commonly used for long distance or city travel. Example: the train to London leaves every hour. A station, a place where trains or buses stop for passengers to get on or off. Example: we'll meet at the station at 9 a.m. Platform, the area in a station where passengers wait to board or exit the train. Example: please wait on platform 3 for your train. Driver, the person responsible for operating a vehicle such as a bus or taxi. Example: the bus driver greeted everyone with a smile. Road, the paths or course taken by a vehicle, especially buses and trains. Example: this road takes you throughout the scenic countryside. Luggage, bags or suitcases that travelers carry with them. Example: she packed her luggage and left for the airport. Schedule, a timetable showing the times when transportation arrives and departs. Example: check the bus schedule to see when it arrives. Taxi, a car that carries passengers to a specific destination for a fee. Example: we took a taxi from the airport to the hotel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe for more stories. See you next time on Visual Vocab English.